Magandang umaga po sa bawat isa. Tunay nga pong hindi mapapantayan o matutumbasan ang pagmamahal ng ating mga nanay. At sila po ang nagsisilbing ilaw ng ating mga tahanan. Sabi nga po sa salita ng Diyos sa Proverbs chapter 31 verse 25 to 31.
She is clothed with strength and dignity. She can laugh at the day's end.
26. She speaks with wisdom and faithful instruction is on her tongue.
27. She watches over the affairs of her household and does not eat the bread of idleness.
28. Her children arises and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praises her.
29. Many women do noble things, but you surpass them all.
30. Charm is deceptive and beauty is fleeting, but the woman who fears the Lord is to be praised.
In verse 31, honor her for all that her hands have done and all her work, and bring her praise at the city gate. At ang awiting ito ay alay po namin sa mga bawat ina na